social media fail. Hi, my name is Nat Pham, speaker, author, and chief strategist here at SUCCESSWORKS. There's a lot of things we've experienced and seen clients do that are social media fails. And they're not huge. A lot of times the public doesn't really see it, but you see it and it affects how things are executed. And those three things are when you're using a dashboard, when you have a feed on your website, and lastly, using a lot of text. So first, having a dashboard. Folks use things like TweetDeck and Hootsuite, and we have our own social media SUCCESSWORKS dashboard. And oftentimes those APIs, and what APIs are basically a bridge for that data to go from a Twitter or Facebook or other social networks to your website or dashboard. And sometimes they change it, and so there's a break. And if you only are checking your dashboard on a regular basis and you don't check the actual social network every once in a while, you're not realizing that it's not posting. So always, every once in a while, make sure you check on those things, and those things are being updated. The second piece that's really important is on your website. And again, those APIs sometimes break and it stops feeding right on that Twitter feed or Facebook feed on your website. So check your website. A lot of times folks just check the website and make sure it looks okay, but they don't check the feed and check the date that the last post was. So that's another social media fail. Again, a lot of times people really don't know it, and it's really oftentimes for SEO sakes as well. The third piece is making sure you aren't text only. Everything's moving towards visual-based content, meaning it's a picture or a video and so forth. And if you look on Facebook in particular, it's a lot of videos. But things like Pinterest and Instagram, it's very visual-based. So if you're not putting pictures in every once in a while, and most of the time really these days, or every time if you can, you're just not going to get readership. And it could be the funniest and most interesting post in the world, but you're just not going to get as much traction if you don't use visual-based things like video and picture. So those are the three social media fails, if you will, to always keep in mind and be aware of, okay? So until we see each other online, please connect with me on LinkedIn, friend me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, @NatPham. I promise I'll follow you back if you mention me. Until then, be successful and stay social.